Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to revamp a coily hair. This is a kinky coily weave on. I'm going to be showing you how to revamp it in this video. Now, I'm going to dip it in a bowl of water. This is a cold water and I'll be pouring it hot water to make the water lukewarm. So after I've poured water in the hair, what I'm going to do is to soak it to remove the excess dirt from the hair. I'm going to allow it to stay like minutes to remove the excess hair completely. I'm squeezing out the dirt from the hair, and the reason why we poured hot water is to make it faster, to make the process faster. You can also decide to brush it out. Now I'm using my conditioner. I'm using Hawaii Silky. You can use any conditioner of your choice for this process. Just apply it and brush it out, or also apply it in the water and squeeze out the dirt. Okay, why I'm doing this is to gradually restore the coils. I'm going to be doing this repeatedly till the coils start popping out. Now that I've poured out the dirty water and I've brushed the hair to an extent, the coils are showing, and this is how it looks like. The coils are really showing. I'm going to be steaming the hair to make the coils a kind of permanent for a while on the hair. So brush it till your desired coils comes out. That's the goal. I'm going to be steaming it. There are two options to steam a hair, which is oven method and stove method. I'm going to be putting this in a nylon, tie it. So put it in a nylon and tie. This is how the hair looks like after steaming. Because I'm really showing, the hair is maintaining so much coils, and this is just the goal of this. So what I'm going to do now is to compare the hair when wet and after wet. And I know you can see there's difference between this, the whole process and everything. There's difference when it was steamed and when it has not been steamed. There's difference. So now I'm going to be pouring this mixture of Hawaii Silky and water. This just to maintain the coils and to make the coils pop out more. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. This is how the hair looks like when wet. You can see the difference. There's so much difference between how it was before and now that it has undergone this process. This is how it looks like when wet. So let's wait for it when it's dry to know the difference between this and that. Now this is how the hair looks like when it's dry and the hair is still maintaining the coils. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.